Hi my friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare momos. For that, for the dough, first we are actually preparing the dough. For the dough we need 3 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. I've used this 3 cups. This is 250 ml of, like 1 cup is 250 ml, and I need 1 cup of water. Actually I'm not using this full 1 cup of water. 420 ml of water I've taken here. And salt I have taken half a teaspoon, but you can take or adjust the salt according to your taste. I'll just add salt. Okay, I'll mix it first. Next step will be, we will use the water and we will knead a dough, but we will not put full water in one go. We don't want too much hard dough or we don't want too soft dough. I'll show you how. Okay friends, here I have kneaded the dough and it's ready. So it should be like this, soft, but not too soft and not too hard. Okay, it should be like this. Okay, so we will keep this for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay friends, for the filling, this is half kg of minced chicken. It's washed, cleaned minced chicken. This is garlic and ginger. I have taken 8 to 9 garlic and half an inch of ginger, and I have actually chopped very finely. I have chopped like this. And this is coriander, finely chopped. This is 2 medium size onions. I have finely chopped this also. And this is capsicum. This is a small a small size, small to medium size you can take capsicum. I have taken green capsicum. And this is 1.5 to 2 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Whatever you have you can take. And this is 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of crushed red chili. This both you can actually use lesser also if you are not willing to eat more spicier. So you can take half a teaspoon of crushed red chili and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Okay, and the next is salt according to your taste. Slowly I'll add all the ingredients. So first I'll add garlic to this. Then to this I'll add a lot of coriander leaves. And now to this I'll add capsicum, finely chopped capsicum. This is also optional. If you don't like, please don't add. You can add carrots, more healthy option, capsicum, carrot, and like cabbage you can put. Okay, and then to this I'll add a lot of onions. You can even use spring onions, but as such I don't have spring onions presently, so I'm not adding it. Now to this I'll add black pepper and crushed red chili. Now to this I'll add salt, and to this I'll add a little bit of oil. Let's see, a little bit of oil. Okay, and again I'll mix it. Yes friends, after 15 minutes our dough is also soft and we have made our filling. Okay, so now next step will be to roll the balls and make a small chapati, and then we will fill this. Okay. You can see your fingers, so this much thin you want. So I'll just show you. Don't go on the shape please. Okay, so this much big. Now to this I'll fill the mixture. I'll just show you the filling. And now take from this side, do like this, like this. Some of them little bigger I have made just to show you. Okay, this is my idli steamer, so I'm using this. So I have just put water in it, and I'll just switch on the gas and let the water boil. The water is boiling in the steamer. Okay, so I'll just open it and I'll put the idli stand and then I'll arrange the momos. Okay. And I'll just brush a little bit of oil so that the momo should not stick. Now we will steam this for 15 minutes, only 15 minutes, not more than that. Our first batch of momos is ready, so let's see. I'll just open it and see, it will be transparent like this. Now I'll show you how to make momos chutney. For that, in one saucepan, I have taken 10 to 12 red chilies. With that, I have just put one whole tomato, and I have just added water, and I have kept on gas for boiling. It will boil for 5 minutes to 10 minutes, max 10, not more than that. It will boil and then we'll switch off the gas. Okay friends, I have added the red chilies and tomato in this. I'll grind it, make a paste out of it, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, I've kept a pan. To this I'll add a little bit of oil. Okay, to this I'm gonna add 4 garlics and a small piece of ginger. I've just finely chopped. Don't use paste. Actually use finely chopped garlic and ginger. Okay, just we need to change a little bit of color, and at this point I'll suggest you to add salt. Just see that it's changing the color of the garlic. So at this moment we will add paste what we have made. Just add little bit of water just to maintain the consistency of the chutney. Okay, and one small boil, because everything is almost cooked, so you don't need to do anything. Our chutney is ready. Try this at home. Give your suggestions also. Bye bye.